Hello traders, my today's topic is a bit different. It's stick to your strategy or your gut. I don't know. Well, we have written books, seen on YouTube, read on Google, Investopedia, that if we follow a strategy, we will succeed. True, I agree. But what about your gut feelings based on market internals, volume, and the market itself on your particular trading day? Another thing that I wanted to share is I wanted to go live today and I could not due to reasons which you'll hear very soon. I want to show you what happened today. Let me take you to the Yahoo Finance screen, and if you have seen the screen, if you have seen what happened to the market today, you would know that there was a sharp turnaround. Dow, S&P closed more than 1%, and news says that it's the biggest reversal in 4 years. You can see here. So keep this in mind, and I will take you to my chart here. This is the chart of fold, right? I wanted to trade on fold today. So what happened? So when I started scanning, this was the one which came up. As per my strategy, I pick up the ones which have gapped low, right? And this one gapped low. Now I'm talking about first 15 minutes and the 15 minutes candle, the first 15 minutes candle. And this candle at that time was green. It isn't part of my strategy, but I felt that there's something wrong, right? Green candle, gap down. I don't want to trade. I went back onto my 5 minutes chart and I saw 1, 2, 3, 4. About 3 big green candles with a good amount of volume, right? And my strategy says if there is a single green candle in the first 15 minutes, then I would go live. I would enter on the 5th candle. But looking at my daily chart, that time I did not know what market is going to do, right? Looking at my daily chart and looking at first few candles, I did not enter. If I would have entered on my 5th candle here, I would have taken a loss of about 5%, because 5% is my stop loss. So I did not trade on fold. Right. But the market got me on the second one. Even though I didn't trade on the second one, which I'm going to show you now, but I would have traded. Right. The second one that I was looking at was SCHW, which is Charles Schwab Corporation. So this is the chart of Charles Schwab on my 5 minutes chart. Let me take you to my daily chart here. This one, well, it is now a green candle. We can see that now, and we can. But the 15 minutes, but the first 15 minutes, it was a red candle, and it had gapped low. So I would have played, but I got late in the game. Right, so what happened was, again, as per my strategy, I would look at the first 3 candles. If there is a single green candle, I would enter on the 5th candle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would have entered somewhere here. It was all okay up until here. Actually, I was all okay up till here. To remind you, I did not take the trade because by the time I looked, it was 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is too late. I was monitoring this equity. Up till here, I was okay. Now I have changed a little bit of my strategy. I don't get out before 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. Right? Because in my previous charts, I have noticed that there is tremendous profit if I wait. I mean, so far it is that I don't know what market is going to do in a month's time or 2 months' time. I don't know. Right? So if you if you take a look at 3:30 here, 15:30 Eastern Standard Time, I would have got out somewhere here. So I would have entered on my fifth candle here, and I would have got out here. I would have made a loss of 3.5%. This has happened, I'm sure it has happened before, but I have not seen it. I have really not seen it. So I would say that sometimes market will behave differently, but if you have a strategy, if you have a stop loss, you know when to get out. Sometimes you have to take a loss and come out. And 3.5%, I think I would have been comfortable taking that loss and coming out. Let me show you my internals just very quickly. I won't get into dollar TRIN and dollar TRIN-Q here because I don't know how many people do follow this. I do follow, but just a quick glance. But this dollar tick is very important, and this one clearly showed that the market was going up. So if I would have gone live today, I would have taken a loss, but I didn't, so I saved myself. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.